I love coming up with creative solutions to new problems. My name is Mustapha, and I am a software engineer. I'm responsible for writing the code and the logic that makes all of your favorite applications work the way you expect them to work. What made me decide to pursue this career path was all the experiences I had growing up with computers and really just enjoying spending numerous hours tinkering and fixing my own issues. My first job was in retail. And then from there, I went to electronics retail, so selling computers. From there, I went to fixing computers for customers, and then eventually landed an IT role here at Google, where I was fixing computers for Googlers. And now I am a software engineer, where I am building products for everybody. I'm really excited about my role at Google because I'm super interested in tech and fashion. And what I currently work on is the wearables experience for our customers. And so it allows me to blend both interests of tech and being able to put it into fashionable things like your watch. I get a lot of moments where I feel like I don't exactly know all the basics because my path has been um, so different from other people. How I overcome them is once I run into something that I don't know, I tend to look up supplemental information about it. It could be other people talking about it on YouTube. It could be going to the original developers' documentations and reading through them. By doing that, I get a deeper understanding of what it is that I don't know and what other follow-up questions to research and look into. The two most non-technical skills that have been extremely helpful for me is being deeply curious in things that you don't understand and being able to look around and take in all the information about it because it really helps you out as you're coming up with solutions. And the second one is really being able to communicate with end users and understand what they're looking to achieve so that you can help them find the best way to get to that. My advice would be to start from what you do know and try to understand what you don't know. People should not be afraid to ask questions. When you ask questions, you give other people the opportunity to help you. Once you have that answer, you're able to help other people in the future.